Buddy, the lights are on. Come on. Are you excited? Mr. Sleepyhead? Yeah. Who has to wake up their baby at Christmas?
Where's my sleepyhead? Where's my buddy?
Daisy. Let's go find him. Yeah.
Do you think Santa came, Evan? What did Santa bring you?
Oops. Whose is this?
Oh, wow! Does it sound like a train?
Put it through the fridge. Evan, do you like the choo-choo? What do you think, buddy? What's this? Evan. Do you like the choo-choo? Hey, buddy. Can you talk? What do you think, Ev?
Is this pretty cool? Do you like it?
What's this? A crane, yeah. Look. Stuff can...
Are you putting your train in the shed?
He's like, I don't know what to do.
What do you think?
Do you like it? Evan. Do you like your train? Yes or no?
Uh-oh, you're running over the dude's head.
The ticket taker. Looks like he's... What's that? Helicopter? Evan, do you like your train?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who brought you this train?
Yeah.
Evan, who gave you the train? Santa? Can you say Santa?
Sister.
What does Santa say?
Oh.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
My sister.
And how old are you? Just so we know. How old are you when you got your train?
2.
Okay, you gotta put trains down. Ready?
Is it gonna go over the bridge?
There's tongue sticking out. Losing coal left and right over here. And Evan, look at.
Here, bud. Take your hand out. Push the train. Move your hand. Watch. Push the train.
There you go.
Uh-oh, it's gonna go down the hill. Oh no!
Oh
Okay, look at this. You can turn it, and then the train can go in its little shed. So we can sleep at night. See? Ready? Watch. What do you think? Do you like your train? Can you say thank you, Santa?
Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
House.
Yeah, that's a. I think that's a gas. I think that's a fueling station. Maybe. And look at this guy's waiting for a train.
I don't think he's gonna open any more gifts today.
Huh?
I don't think he's gonna open any more gifts today.
Might be easier if you separated the two trains.
Evan, push the green train. There's the engine. Here, see the engine right here? Push this. Push it through, Evan. Oh boy, it's gonna go down the hill. Oh!
Do you like it? Yeah. Is that a pretty